To fix a Coleman Mach air conditioner that is not cooling, start by ensuring the unit is properly and securely plugged in. Set the thermostat to a temperature lower than the room. Then check and either replace or clean the air filters. Depending on their condition, use a vacuum cleaner or a soft brush to remove any debris or dust from the condensers and evaporator coils. Inspect the blower and fan motor for any obstructions or unusual noises. Additionally, listen for a hissing sound or check for ice buildup on the coils, as these can indicate refrigerant leaks, which require professional attention. It is also important to check the condensate drain line for any blockages and inspect the control board for signs of damage, such as breakage, corrosion, or discolored components. If issues are found with the control board or refrigerant leaks, it is advisable to seek professional help. Furthermore, if professional assistance is needed, the Coleman Mach service team can be contacted for support. Checking these key areas can help identify and potentially fix the issue with the air conditioner not cooling.